Okay, guys, the moment that everybody's been waiting for. I was holding off on payments, but today is the absolute last day. Everybody who's paid, I will get everything out to you starting tomorrow. Everything should be out unless the guys haven't paid. Billy Sealing, Grant Patterson, Neil Moon, Sam Richter, and Tim Smith. If you haven't contacted me yet, please check your PMs. I need payment sent over soon. I haven't heard from you guys. I'm assuming it's because it's been a holiday week, so everybody is out doing stuff. Anyways, I'm not going to go live yet there. I just want to tell you guys what the prizes are first. Here we go. Prizes are 2015 Prism Baseball Box, Optic Blaster, 2016 Optic Blaster for Baseball, 2 Rogue One Star Wars Blasters, 2 prizes there. 15-16 Upper Deck Hockey Series 1 Blaster. Oh, hold on a second here. There's a Panini Americana Blaster from 2011. 2016 Don Ross Soccer Blaster. 16-17 UD Series 1 Blaster. Prism Baseball Blaster from 2015. 2016 Contenders Basketball Blaster, a Prism NASCAR Blaster from 2016, 2015 Rookies and Stars Football Blaster, 2016-17 Complete Basketball Blaster, 2016 Playoff Football Blaster, 2016-17 Upper Deck Series 1 Blaster, a 2014 Don Ross Baseball Rookies Box Set. I'm only going to ship the auto and the inserts out of that one because it's heavy. 2 Star Wars Journey to Star Wars Last Jedi hanger boxes, 3 Be a Player 9900 Millennium packs, 2 2016 Don Ross football hanger boxes, and 2013 Contenders football box that has 5 autos in it, and a 2016 Leaf Jack Eichel collection, 1 Jack Eichel auto in the box. If I have to open it, I'm only shipping the auto, guys, because that is heavy. Everything will be either broken or shipped to you, depending on how big the packages you have. I think most this time will have to be broken because it's pretty spread out. Anyways, guys, I'm going live. Time is 11:03 a.m. Eastern. We're going over to random page. We have the list here. I mixed it up a bit, guys, to make it a little fair, because the auctions were random in the rounds. So here we go. I didn't want anybody to have a huge, big chunk in one spot, because the way I tallied everything up, some guys like Aaron would have been on the very top, all his stuff. So it wouldn't have random very well. So copy all those names over, guys, in to the random. It is the clubhouse, so we're going to go 3 times, guys. Good luck. First random. Cody on top there. And after each random, 11:04 a.m. Eastern. Second random. That's 2 times, guys. 11:04. And, where is it? Oh, random 2 times. Third and final random, guys. Good luck. There we go. Time is 11:04 a.m. Eastern. And the first 25 guys win something. Cut that out. Paste that in. And then we'll go over to the next random, which is the prize list. We're going to random this as well, guys, and whatever lines up is what you win. So again, time 11:05 a.m. Eastern, first random. 11:05 Eastern, second random. 11:05 Eastern, third and final random, guys. Good luck. Okay, time 11:05 a.m. Eastern. Copy that over. list. Here we go. Paste. Let's make that bigger, guys. Okay, here we go. Chappy Chaps, you won the 2016-17 Complete Blaster Box. Mike Trowbridge has won the 16-17 Upper Deck Series 2 Blaster. Aaron Gershan, I think you only had one ballot in there, Aaron. You won the 99 Be a Player Millennium Pack. I'll probably have to break that on live for you. Sean Noble, you won the 2016 Playoff Football Blaster. Tim Smith, you won the 15-16 Upper Deck Series 1 Blaster. Aaron Antonello has won Star Wars Rogue One Blaster. James Hammond, the 2015 Rookies and Stars Football Blaster. Craig Amakian, you won the 2015 Prism Baseball Blaster. Owen Millard, 2015 Prism Baseball Blaster. Marty Meriton, you won the 2013 Contenders Football Box with the 5 autos. Craig, you won the Craig Mackian, you won the 2016 Prism NASCAR Blaster. Nick Simonelli, you won the 2016 Don Ross Football Hanger Box. Stefan Perot, you won the Star Wars Journey, The Last Jedi Hanger Box. Eddie DiMaggio, you won the 2016 Don Ross Football Hanger Box. CJ Gibson, you won a Star Wars Rogue One Blaster. Alan Mueller, you won the 2016-17 Upper Deck Series 1 Blaster. Marty, you won one of the 9900 BAP Millennium Packs. Neil, you've also won one of Neil Moon, you've also won one of the 9900 BAP packs. Sam Richter, you won the 2016 Contenders Basketball Blaster. Corey Jocelyn, you won the Don Ross Baseball, the Rookies box set. I'm only shipping the auto and the insert in that one. Remember, it's heavy. The Star Wars Journey to Star Wars, The Last Jedi Hanger Box. Paolo Sanchez, that's hilarious. You only had one ballot, Paolo. I remember that. I was typing the names in. Joshua Herbst, you won the 2011 Panini Americana Blaster. Aaron Antonello, you won a 2016 Optic Baseball Blaster. Neil Moon, you won the 2016 Soccer Blaster. And Sam Richter, you won the 2016 Leaf Jack Eichel Collection with the one guaranteed Jack Eichel auto in there. Could be a 101. Only the auto's going to ship on that one, Sam, unless I can fit everything in your box. Anyways, guys, there you have it. Stealing that from Mike. We are done. Time is 11:08 a.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.